And finally, RJR Gleaner netballers won the dress parade but missed out on a place in the final of the rally on the opening day of the Business House Netball Association League at the Leela Robinson Courts. RJR Gleaner captain Tamara Hilton said they were pleased to take home the top prize for the dress parade after narrowly missing out on winning last year.
Last year we came second, so this year we studied what we needed to do, put things in place, and we really rally around. Everybody chipped in, and today we came out victorious. We won the dress parade.
The RJR Gleaner ladies were beaten 6-5 in the playoff section, thus missing out on a spot in both the main and consolation finals. It was NHT who emerged champions of the rally, beating Ministry of Education and Youth A 13-7 in the final. Their captain is former Sunshine Girls Vangelie Williams.
Last year was really a kicker to us. Our supporters at the Trust were very disappointed. Even though we went on to win the season, they were really disappointed that they didn't win the rally like how they're used to it. But today we played a solid day of netball. We were outgunning from the start. We didn't take any team lightly, and we just played on our level and played strong. So I'm happy for the win tonight.
JPS beat Ministry of Education B 9-7, while Digicel got by Ministry of Health 8-6 in the consolation finals. With that, we're going to another break. When we come back, we'll give you the recap for Primetime Sports Tuesday.